Hello, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Please sit down here.
Thank you. I am Tom, a friend of the groom.
I am Sophia. I am the bride's cousin.
It is a very beautiful wedding. Everything looks perfect.
I agree. The white flowers are very fresh and sweet.
The music is very soft too. I like the violin player.
She is very talented. She plays with a lot of emotion.
How long have you known the bride?
We grew up together. We are very close friends.
That is very nice. I met David at university.
He is a very kind man. They are a great couple.
Look at the decorations. The gold candles are very elegant.
My aunt chose them. She has very good taste.
The hall is very big. There are many guests here.
I think there are 200 people. It is a large party.
It is the biggest wedding of the year. Everyone is happy.
Did you travel far to get here?
No, I live only 20 minutes away. I took a taxi.
I traveled from another city. I am staying in a hotel.
Is your hotel near the park? The view there is great.
Yes, it is right across the street. I like the old trees.
Do you want some water? The weather is quite warm.
Yes, please. That is very thoughtful of you.
Here is a glass. The ice is still cold.
Thank you, Tom. You are very polite.
The ceremony starts in 10 minutes. Are you ready?
I have my tissues ready. I always cry at weddings.
It is a very emotional moment. Love is a beautiful thing.
You are right. Let's wait for the bride.
Look, the lights are getting dim.
The music is changing now. The bride is coming.
She looks incredible. Her dress is very long.
The lace is handmade. It is a family tradition.
David looks very nervous. He is shaking a little.
He is looking at her with so much love. It is sweet.
They are standing at the altar. The priest is starting.
Everyone is very quiet now. You can hear the birds outside.
The garden is a perfect place for a ceremony.
I like the green grass and the blue sky today.
They're saying their vows. Her voice is very soft.
She is promising to be a loyal friend forever.
David is giving her a gold ring now. It sparkles.
The ring is a symbol of their eternal bond.
Now they are officially husband and wife.
Everyone is clapping their hands. I am so happy.
They are walking back down the aisle. They are smiling.
People are throwing rose petals. The colors are lovely.
It is time for photos. The photographer is ready.
I want a photo with my cousin. She looks like a princess.
We should go to the garden. The light is very good.
The sun is behind the trees now. It is perfect.
Can I take a photo for you? I have a good camera.
That would be wonderful. Thank you for your help.
Go near the fountain. The water looks very clear.
Like this? I am smiling for the camera.
1, 2, 3. The photo is very beautiful, Sophia.
Can I see it? Oh, the colors are very bright.
I will send it to your phone later.
Thank you. Now let's go to the dinner hall.
This room is even bigger. Look at the ceiling.
The crystal chandeliers are amazing. They are very bright.
Our table is near the window. We can see the stars.
The menu looks delicious. I am very hungry now.
I see fish and chicken. What do you prefer?
I will have the fish. It has a lemon sauce.
I will try the chicken. It smells very good.
There is a lot of fruit on the table. I like grapes.
These grapes are very sweet. Try one, Sophia.
Thank you. They are very fresh and juicy.
The waiters are very professional. They move very fast.
They have a lot of work tonight. Everyone wants food.
Are you having a good time so far?
Yes, I am. The atmosphere is very warm and friendly.
I'm glad I sat next to you. You're very kind.
I feel the same way, Tom. You are a good talker.
Look at the cake. It has 5 levels.
It is a work of art. The white cream is beautiful.
I think the flavor is vanilla. It is a classic choice.
My cousin loves chocolate. Maybe the inside is dark.
We will find out soon. The dinner is starting.
The soup is very hot. It is perfect for the evening.
I like the bread too. It is very soft and warm.
Everyone is talking at the same time. It is a happy noise.
It is the sound of a big family. It is very special.
Do you have a big family, Tom?
No, I only have one sister. She is in London now.
I have 3 brothers. My house is always very loud.
That sounds like a lot of fun. You are never lonely.
That is very true. We always play games together.
The best man is standing up. He has a paper.
He is going to give a speech. It will be funny.
He is telling a story about university. David is blushing.
David was a very quiet student. The story is a surprise.
Everyone is laughing now. It is a very good joke.
Now the bride's father is speaking. He looks serious.
He is talking about his daughter's childhood. It is very sweet.
He is crying a little bit. He loves her very much.
It is a big moment for a father. His daughter is grown up.
He is welcoming David into the family. That is very kind.
We should stand up for the toast. Lift your glass.
To the happy couple, may they have a long life together.
To David and Maria. Cheers to their future.
The juice is very cold. It is very refreshing.
Now the music is getting louder. It is time to dance.
I am not a very good dancer. I'm a bit shy.
Don't worry about that. Just follow the rhythm.
The couple is having their first dance. They look perfect.
They are moving very slowly. The lights are soft.
It is like a dream. Every girl wants this moment.
David is a lucky man. Maria is a very special woman.
She is a doctor. She helps many people every day.
I didn't know that. She is very smart and beautiful.
David is an architect. He builds very modern houses.
They are a very talented couple. They have many goals.
I think they will be very happy in their new home.
Where is their new house? Is it in the city?
No, it is near the mountains. They love the fresh air.
That is a perfect place for a family. It is very quiet.
Yes, they want to have 2 dogs and a big garden.
The floor is full of people now. Would you like to dance?
Okay, Tom. I will try my best.
Just move your feet like this. It is very simple.
This song is very fast. It has a great beat.
Everyone is jumping and laughing. The energy is high.
I see my aunt dancing. She is very energetic.
Your family knows how to have a party. This is fun.
My brothers are over there. They are very loud.
They are wearing very colorful ties. I like the green one.
That is my brother Lucas. He is a very funny person.
The light is changing colors. Now it is purple and blue.
It feels like a disco. The wedding is a big success.
I am getting a bit hot. Let's walk to the balcony.
That is a good idea. I need some fresh air.
The night is very clear. I can see the moon.
It is a full moon tonight. It is very romantic.
The garden looks different at night. The lights are golden.
It is very peaceful here. The music is not too loud.
You have very beautiful eyes, Sophia. They shine in the dark.
Thank you, Tom. You are very kind to me tonight.
I am glad I came to this wedding. It is a special night.
I am glad too. I met a new friend.
Do you want to go back inside? The cake is ready.
Yes, let's go. I want to taste the chocolate.
David and Maria are cutting the first piece.
They are feeding each other. That is a sweet tradition.
Everyone is taking a plate. The cake is very big.
Here is your piece, Tom. It has a small strawberry.
It is delicious. The cream is very light and sweet.
You were right. The inside is chocolate and vanilla.
The party is slowly ending. It is very late.
Yes, it is midnight. Time moves very fast today.
The couple is leaving now. They are going to Italy.
A honeymoon in Italy. That is very romantic.
They are going to eat a lot of pasta and pizza.
They want to see the old museums in Rome.
We should say goodbye to them. Let's go to the door.
Goodbye, Maria. Have a wonderful trip.
Goodbye, David. Take care of your wife.
They are waving from the car. The car has flowers.
It says just married on the back. It is very cute.
I will miss them, but I am happy for their news.
I must go home now too. My taxi is waiting.
It was a pleasure to meet you, Tom.
I enjoyed our conversation, Sophia. You are special.
Can we stay in touch? Here is my number.
Thank you. I will send you the photos tomorrow.
I'm looking forward to seeing them.
Have a safe walk to your hotel, Sophia.
It is very close. I will be there in 5 minutes.
Good night, Sophia. Sleep well.
Good night, Tom. See you soon, I hope.
I am putting your number in my phone now.
I am waving my hand. The night is very quiet.
The park is dark, but the street lights are bright.
I can see my hotel now. The door is open.
I am getting into my taxi. The driver is ready.
Today was a perfect wedding. I will never forget it.
It was a great day. I found a new friend today.
Goodbye, Tom. Have a safe journey home.